I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya, complicate ya. I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya.
Hey everybody, I'm back. Got flying ants all over the place here, man. It's pathetic. I'm getting ready to put the canvas back on. I have to find a place where I set my screws. Yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. So we're gonna get her done. You got to make sure when doing this, everything matches up. It's got to go on the same. It's got to go on the same way it came off. If it don't, it's not gonna not work out too well for you. How about that? Let's just say that. And the canvas on this is kind of bad. And these flying ants are bad today. Lord have mercy. They won't leave me alone for nothing. God, get the hell, get away, shoot. I'm trying to work here. Okay, there's one down. These flying ants, boy, they're not letting up for nothing. Man, stubborn little things.
Get away! God, where are you coming from? I wish I could see this.
Yeah, I'm not just swiping that air. I'm about to go get me some bug spray. Get these bad boys off of me. So I can do some work. Okay, I'm gonna pause it here. I'm going to get some bug spray. They are bad, peeps. They are bad. We're gonna try it again. I couldn't find a bug spray or anything. I'm hoping the smoke from my cigarette will keep them off of me so I can't put this thing back together. They're little flying ants, and they're aggravating. Putting this back together, hold on, let me get up here where y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm hoping that's in the shot there. Let's see, yeah. When putting this back together, they don't tell you, so you have to remember how you took it apart, okay? But this right here has to be pulled, okay? It has to be pulled, and I'm just one person, so this is gonna be fun. Because my my drill bit is not magnetized, but let me get it started, and then I'll just pull it over. And there's the bugs back. Okay. You have to get it like that. That way it'll hold the canvas. You know. I don't know why they did that, but yeah, they did it like that, and that's the way I'm putting it right back. Hold on, I gotta get some more screws. And always make sure you keep up with your screws. My buddy's back. He got him a nice little car, a rental, it is. One more screw. Okay, this canvas is ready to be tapered and all that good stuff. I'll get back to y'all here in a little bit. Hey everybody, I'm back. You can see I got curtains up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I got curtains up. Even got on the rods back here. I got to put them there. The whole time as I've been doing this, I haven't been recording, but I still have been recording. Let's get in here. Let me show you what I've been doing. I'm going to set y'all down here and adjust you. So, not shaking, just stirred. Hold on for a minute. Okay, what I've been doing. This is what's going to... This little lip right here, I don't know if you can see it, it's just a little lip. That's what the canvas has to stick into, okay? This covers up what I painted up there earlier. Hold on, so y'all can see it. I'm sorry. Okay, that right there is what I painted, all right? This piece that you see in my hand right now, this right here, goes up there and it covers all that. But Richard wanted to be extra protected, you know, and that's wise. Even in an RV or a van, it's rather be safe than sorry. But this piece covers up that, and oh, I got it in the shot. I think I do. Let's see. Yeah, this little piece of canvas right here, it's got this little lip. Well, this wraps over like that and tucks into that groove, which pulls it tight. Yeah, so I have to get this back up there on both sides. Lower it down enough where I can put this canvas into that little groove, you know, and then I'm able to wheel it up, and then once I wheel it up, it should be tight on the canvas, and then I have to put screws in. Okay, that's the way it came down. That's the way it's going back, you know. But I've got my 4K camera running. Hold on, it's been running there the whole time I've been sitting here doing all this. But there's my 4K camera sitting on the edge right there, pointed this way, recording what I've been doing. So that's like, I'm gonna probably put that in another video as a bonus, you know. People's gone over to see my website, and I'm gonna have to get some more storage, just point blank, because I can't, man, them ant flies, they're still here and still bothering me. But I'm gonna have to buy some more storage on my web page, because it's not allowing me to upload my karaoke that I had. You know, I met some good people there too, and we've done some good singing. So yeah, but I can't put it over here on YouTube. That's the reason I've got. But I'm thinking that I can go to another platform, upload it to that platform, and then get the share button and share it as a link over on. So maybe I just answered my own deal, you know, how I was going to do it. So yay. Well, I'll get back to y'all here in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and zap these pieces up on both sides. Once I have that done, I'll come back to y'all and show you the way it looks, okay? And then later I'll lower the thing down, put the canvas back into the track on this thing, and lift it up and make sure it's tight and all that, and put the screws in it. And then I'll start working on cleaning the inside of this place, the top to the bottom. Alright, I want to thank y'all for watching. Appreciate every single one of y'all. Y'all rock. Yeah, y'all really, really do. Thanks.